Best deals. These products are ideal for serving and preparing variety of foods. Are perfect tools for parties, dinner, afternoon tea, buffet, catering, wedding celebrations or daily use for home, hotel and restaurant. These kitchen gadgets are made from food-grade material and offers versatility. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Food tongs. Ergonomic design, handle is comfortable to grip, spring action easily rebounds and long lifetime use. Both sides net holes designed for effective grasping, made of quality stainless steel, rust-proof, heat-resistant and easy to clean. Dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Pasta making. Dumpling making accessories are designed with quality materials. The dumpling cutter, dumpling rolling pin, dumpling boards, and dumpling roller are all mainly made of quality and robust wood. In addition to being immensely durable, wood lends an authentic touch to your dumpling making process. Stamps is mainly crafted from robust alloy, enhancing the set's overall quality and longevity. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Muffin baking liners. Made with food-grade silicone paper, which is BPA-free, odor-free, no fading, high temperature resistance, can withstand 425, and can be used to make cakes or muffins with confidence. Liners are stackable, saving space for easy storage. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Can opener. The most basic principle of the manual can opener is to use a gear to drive a sharp blade to make a circle to open the can lid. So we improved the precision of the gear and used high carbon steel blades. The razor sharp blade and precision gears work perfectly together to cut the lid smoothly with every revolution of the blade, so don't worry about getting scratched by the burred edge of the can when scooping food from the can. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Soap dispenser set. Made of premium ABS plus PC transparent material, safe and BPA-free, environmentally friendly and healthy, corrosion resistant. It comes into direct contact with liquids without undergoing any chemical reactions, which is durability enough for you to use for long time reuse. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Cutting board. Double-sided design. Wood cutting boards combine the advantages of stainless steel and bamboo, practical and portable. One side is used as a cutting board, the other side is used as a charcuterie board or serving tray. The titanium cutting board allows you to chopping food and place cheese, pizza, meat, snacks, vegetables or fruits without mixing and keep your countertop tidy. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Grease container. Both the high-temperature resistant enamel grease container and the removable strainer made of food-grade 304 stainless steel prevent corrosion and breakage, and not easily deformed. The spoon can easily scrape away solidified grease and can also be used for spreading and stirring ingredients. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Corn cob stripper. The corn peeler is carefully designed to align the corn with the center of the machine and twist it to easily extract corn kernels from the corn cob. It is effortless and easy to operate, making it a must-have item in the kitchen. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Egg slicer. Built with sharp stainless steel wires and a strong aluminum alloy body, ensuring safety and food hygiene in every slice. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Soap dispenser. The drip tray is sponge holder which is full of ventilated holes, and air flows through these holes to help dry sponge quickly. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Peeler. Comes with a built-in storage box to contain all the mess, keeping your kitchen tidy. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing you to peel with ease and precision. Peeler is made from premium materials, ensuring durability and reliability for years to come. Simplify your kitchen tasks by peeling a variety of produce and scaling fish effortlessly. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Egg cracker. Designed to make cracking hard-boiled and raw eggs a breeze. Just press the button for a clean, quick cut, no more knives or hammering required. Made from high-quality PP food-grade plastic and stainless steel, make cooking more enjoyable. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Peeler. The movable fixed needle can adapt to different heights of vegetables and fruits. Just gently press, start peeling automatically. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Squeezer. Juice container with convenient two-sided handles for better grip, and with two spouts for easy dosing. Slit sieve can effectively filter seeds, pulp and allow fast juice drain into the base bowl. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Fruit Saver. Crafted to maximize kitchen space while efficiently organizing your fridge. They help keep fruits and vegetables fresh and flavorful, preventing any unwanted odors from affecting other foods. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Cheese Slicer. Designed with two super sharp blades which makes it super easy to slice not only semi-hard and hard cheeses, but can also cut other multiple foods such as sausages, biltong, jerky, cucumbers, radishes, lettuce and more. Perfect for seniors, arthritic and weak hands. Safety lock design can avoid cutting your hands, and not to take a lot of space for easy storage. It's strong and durable. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Colander. The inner wall adopts mirror polishing technology, which is smooth and bright. Mixing bowl is also made of 304 food bowl grade stainless steel. The inner wall adopts mirror polishing technology, which is smooth and bright. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Crusher. Features an ergonomic handle for a comfortable and secure grip, even when your hands are wet. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Cookie Cutters. Spring action handle easily embosses design onto dough and releases the cutouts. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Dish Drying Mat. Made of natural diatomaceous earth. Due to made of natural diatomaceous earth, color of the mat may vary slightly under the influence of different light and environmental humidity. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Garlic Press. Premium quality garlic press is constructed from food-grade, rust-resistant materials meant to be among your favorite kitchen gadgets for years to come. This garlic and ginger mincer is designed with built-in studs to extract more paste within seconds. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Spatula Set. Perfect shape and size for decorating and icing cupcakes, pastry, and cookies. Also useful for picking up and carrying cakes or pizzas, sandwiches, even cutting curds. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Mixing Bowls. The largest mixing bowl not only comes with transparent lid, but also with a multifunctional lid where you can place one of the three blades in the middle to grate food, enabling shredding, slicing and grating, which can save your money. Stainless steel bowls are clearly engraved with markings for quarts and liters, which meet different measuring needs. Each bowl is made of high-quality stainless steel, designed to resist dents and rust. The mixing bowl has a mirror finish on the inside and a fingerprint-resistant design on the outside, making it both attractive and practical. Product link is given in the 23rd link.